And another special session that people are calling for is on insurance. That is a major crisis that a lot of people are dealing with. How would you want to tackle the insurance issue?
Yeah, well, look, I think that first of all, we can't tackle the insurance crisis without having the person in charge of insurance at the table, which is the Commissioner of Insurance. My understanding is that his opponent dropped out, I think.
Yeah, Mr. Temple is the commissioner-elect.
Right, so I think that, I will tell you this, he and I have had numerous discussions about making sure that we have open lines of communication and that we can lend each of us the support that our offices respectively would have to overall drop the property crime problem. But I'll say this, I've already done something. I've sued FEMA so that we can try to create some stability in the flood insurance market. Because if we don't, then because it's like step 1 and 2. We've got 2 crises at hand. People haven't realized it yet. But even if you lower the overall property insurance and then the flood insurance escalates, well, how much good have you done? Plus, the more important point is that you don't have a lot of flexibility in whether or not you can have or not have flood insurance, right? If you don't have flood insurance, you can't get a mortgage. And so we've already, as Attorney General, as I said earlier, over the last 8 years, we've been protecting the people of Louisiana. Every time we see an opportunity to ensure that we can further protect this state, we do. And we did. We took action this year.
And what's the status of that case? Have you worked with FEMA at all for more transparency about the risk rating 2.0?
No, we sued him.
You sued him, right? Well, what kind of answers came from that?
Well, we're in the courts right now. In fact, we were supposed to have a hearing on an injunction that got delayed, and we're trying to get that hearing reset. So what we're going for is an injunction that says, before we have any discussions with y'all, we want you to stop. We want to pause. We want the status quo right now for our citizens in this state so they don't have to worry.